Hey guys, welcome to 12:45 here at One Beat CrossFit Gym. Hey, wanted to show a quick tip here to complete Spanish squats. Sounds intimidating and scary, but it's really not. It's a very simple but effective exercise that delivers total body stability here while emphasizing glute engagement on a squat and really a hinge versus like a knee bend position. You guys will see what I'm talking about just here in a second in relation to those two concepts, but a really great way to help get the body warmed up and prime it for either deadlifting or squatting to really get yourself ready to go for your workout. So take a look here and give it a try in your next workout. So what works really well for this is a medium to a heavy band and a strong foundation. So we've got our torque rack here and we've got our band just wrapped around the torque rack. So very simple setup. Now, once I've got that in place, I'm gonna step in 1 foot on each side. Band just below the knee, top of the calf, right? Same thing for my other side, okay? For my guys, you guys aren't gonna like this too much here because that band against your leg hair, fairly uncomfortable, right? But it works out okay. All right, we'll get through this together. Now, I'm gonna take a step back here until I pull that band tight. Now, drive hard into the feet. This is huge. So you can see how already when I go hip abduction, band tightens to the side, and then I drive hard into my feet, I'm actually pulling my legs back and I'm pushing into my feet into the ground. Creates a stable platform here for me to be able to squat off of. Once I have that strong, stable base, now I'm going to brace the core, sit the hips back, sit down into that squat. Now the band should be tight enough here where I should be able to sit with control and not fall over, okay? Notice my knees don't move. I'm actually sitting back, pulling against that band, and to drive back up, squeeze your butt, push hard into that ground, right? So this is emphasizing the hip hinge portion of the squat, driving hard through that glute. So my glutes are on fire right now. So I really want to show you guys the emphasis of importance and the emphasis here between the hip hinge and the knee bend. So you can see it from the side. So I'm gonna get myself set up again. Same thing. One leg in each loop. Band to the side. Boom. Now, band's tight. Knee bend, hip hinge. Notice knees stay in place directly over the ankles. When I hip hinge and I have that band, I can sit back, maintain neutral spine, and be comfortable, right? Again, driving hard into that ground. So here's relaxed feet, strong feet, driving hard, squeeze through your glutes, push hard into the ground, and you're gonna feel how the glutes create the extension. And if you're not careful, you're gonna get pulled forward into that pull, right? So that setup right there gives you guys a quick little tidbit here and some insight into some actionable items here to check out the Spanish squat on your own. Again, this is a great warm up here, activation, get you ready for a squat day, heavy deadlift day, right? Where you need heavy glute engagement, strong, stable knees, right? So if you guys ever deal with creaky knees here or pain in your knees, this is a great tool to help build strong stability and strength in some of those stabilizing muscle groups in there, right? But if you guys are dealing with knee pain, right? We're also probably bending that knee too much instead of getting more hip hinge and hip extension, right? So we want that balance, less quad engagement, more glute engagement for the long term. So give it a try on your own, see what you think.